Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Simple Stamping Day. And I want to use one of my new sets to make this a really cute and simple card. The stamp set we're going to be using is Enjoy the Moment. This is in the January to June catalog. And I didn't think at first I'd like it, but then, I don't know, it grows on you. And you can use it for a lot of really cool things. What else we're going to be needing is I'm going to be using Sierra Sand, Crumb Cake, Gray Granite, and Mary Merlot. And I'm going to be using a piece of vanilla, or not a piece, I'm going to use vanilla note cards and envelopes. Let me just put this down. Now, I'm going to be using these long ones, but I am not going to ink up the full thing. I'm only going to ink it up so far so we get some of them. And where's my, there it is. I'm going to be cleaning in between, so you're going to hear the squeaking. And I am just going to grab some of the neutral, lighter colors. And I am just going to stamp these on and let's do another one up here. These are good guy cards, man cards. They're sea pods. I used to call them, they look, well, the ones I wear were rye grasses that look dead alongside the road, except for after rain in a desert. That's what I used to call them. So, but I'm just using different ones with different colors. Granite. And again, stamping on, stamping off. Okay, then they got these three little seeds that just going to there. And then I am going to stamp with Mary Merlot the saying, a little note. And there you got it. Bunch of note cards. You could have them for thank you cards. Now let me see if I can get these right so I don't get everything all over. I'd appreciate it if you enjoy my simple stamping cards, that you follow me, or that you shop with me at marytroutner.stampinup.net. And make sure you follow me on YouTube, and everything you need to make this great card is listed below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.